Well, hello, my pretties. How you doing, Work of Excellence family?
What's up, y'all?
Well, we are at Kohl's doing a little challenge to see how well we know each other's style. I know Babe's style.
I know her style.
He thinks he knows my style.
I know her style.
And I find it easier to dress a man than it is to dress a woman.
That's true. Because y'all are so picky. Guys are, we go with the flow. You know? A woman is very particular, you know? Everything got to flow the right way.
Mm-hmm. Well, we're going to see how much swag you got, because I know I got swag.
Okay.
I got that New York swag.
Back in that bag again. Whoa.
Okay.
So I'm going to see if you got that DC swag.
I got that DC swag.
Do DC have a swag?
DC got a swag.
Okay, well, Babe said he got that DC swag. I got that New York swag. And we're just going to see where it ends up.
Okay. It's on.
It's on. He's going to go his way, and I'm going to go my way. Should we go with a budget? Like $150?
Okay, $150 is fine.
Yeah, because Kohl's is a little expensive, like I said. So I think $100 we will go over 100. But let's try not to go over 150.
All right.
You 150, me 150.
That's a bet.
And let's see what we come up with.
Okay.
Who gonna look fly? Now, if you have something, because we're on a budget, if you have something in the house to enhance what the other has bought, then you can do that.
Okay.
Okay? Fair?
Fair.
And then we'll model, and we'll see, and then we'll ask the people to comment down below and let us know what they think.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
All right, so let's go do it.
Let's go.
I'm in here looking for something for Babe. I know that I'm going to win this challenge because I know his style. It's easier to know a man's style than a woman's. So I know I got this one in the bag. So let's just see what we can find. Do have a budget, so let's look what the clearance rack might have. Checking out. I went over my budget. Leave it up to me to go over the budget. I went over what our budget is.
All right, y'all. Got a few items. So, how are you today?
I'm fine. How you doing, sir?
I'm good.
Did you need a bag? Or you need this carry? They charge for a bag.
I'll take a bag. Ain't gonna hurt me.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
111.05.
Okay, got a few items, guys.
All right, so you have $20 in Kohl's cash to start spending on the 21st.
Okay,
right.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Yeah, have a good one. Okay. Not too bad. Alright, guys. I gotta win this. Y'all go for Team Al.
Well, I did my shopping. I got my stuff for you.
I got my stuff, y'all. Yeah.
Your bag looks small.
That's alright.
My bag is big.
That's alright.
Why your bag look so small?
Can't judge the package. You cannot judge the package.
Okay. So let's go home.
Alright, let's do this.
Okay. We'll see y'all when we get home. Alright, fam. We are ready for the challenge. So we're going to let Al go first. So,
Man,
I have Al's stuff right here. So let's see what you got.
okay.
So, he got a pair of Levi's. Okay? So, hopefully those fit. No, you wasn't. And, because I know he always likes stuff like this. And I got him Levi's.
I was not expecting that.
So you got that.
That reminds me, I used to rock this back in the day.
Then I got him this Levi's shirt.
Okay.
And then this one goes with that outfit.
Okay. All right. I like.
You like? You like?
I like.
Okay, he likes. So we're gonna let you go try it on.
Okay.
All right, we'll be right back. All right, everybody. Y'all ready? Wow, look at that fly guy. Let's see you, fly guy. Wow.
I kind of helped out, y'all.
How you help me out?
Tell you why. Because of the shoes I threw in to enhance the outfit.
You didn't help me out. The outfit speaks for itself. Now, I mean, the Timbs is the Timbs, okay? See, you threw on your Timbs. You made the outfit look a little good. Yeah. Let's see. All right. Let's shot. Let's get back and get a whole shot. Oh,
There, y'all.
so now you got one more thing to try on. Your other shirt. All right, y'all, we back. So, there you go. I'm going down. So you put on a pair of your blue Levi's, huh?
I'm making her look good.
So the only thing I bought was the shirt.
I'm making her look good.
He had Levi's, and then you went put on your Levi's sneakers.
I'm making her look good.
Let's see. Let's get a shoe cam. Let's see him on the side. Okay. We see your Levi's sneakers. Okay.
Okay, y'all.
Okay, but only thing is, too, look, this got a stain.
I'm not responsible for that. That was like that when I got it.
I know.
I just
It's
pulled
gonna
it
go
out the
back
bag.
and exchange too.
I just pulled it out the bag, y'all. Ain't
Okay.
my fault.
You look good.
Okay, all right.
Okay, I give you a up and down.
Okay.
Okay. All right, y'all. All right. My turn.
Are y'all ready for the main event?
Let me see what I got. Let me see. Let me see what I got.
She took me outside of my box. You went to colors that's outside of my box. I made it happen.
It was outside of my box too, but it was just the closest thing we could go to.
Still made it happen. Okay? Alright. Dig it. You may pull it out.
I'll pull it out. So I guess I'm a cheater.
I mean,
That's what you call me, a cheater?
yeah, no.
Okay.
It's nice.
It's nice. Okay. Oh, I got something else?
That's something else in here.
So I don't want to do all four. Do I have to do all four?
I got it.
Okay.
Man.
All right. All right.
So, you know, you try that on.
You got me a lot of top. So
I'm
now I
quite sure-
have to put stuff with this.
I'm quite sure she has to hook up the skirt to match because I pay attention. She got something in that wardrobe that will match each and every outfit.
Okay, y'all. So I'm going to try this. See? You see?
It's nice, y'all.
So
It's more than nice.
I will be back.
Looky what we have here. Okay. Y'all like? I like.
Okay. Now the shirt is what you got.
Yes.
This is harder for a woman because not only did I have to enhance it with stuff, I had to put on some jewelry to match. I had to put my shoes on, skirt, because this is like beige, brown, and blue. So I put on my blue skirt, my blue boots, pocketbook, and I'm casual.
Y'all like? I like
What do you like?
everything.
Number one, let me tell you how I feel. Number one, this dead neck here is killing me. I just can't fix it. The dead neck. I don't like the dead neck.
Okay.
And no, you didn't have a lot to choose from at Kohl's.
You take off a half a point, yeah, half a point.
Skirt. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. This is my jacket. I had to put on with it to make it look good. I had to put my shoes on, okay, my bag, and I had to put on my shades because I just tried to pull it out some more.
I think it's cute. I think it's sexy.
And then,
I think it's
on
fantastic.
top of that, look what I found.
That look like a sensor to me.
It's a sensor.
No.
So you know that dress got to go back, right? This skirt has to go back.
Found outfit. I love it. It's nice.
Okay, so you got me the top. You did great with this top. So I don't have to worry about that dead neck
Okay.
right there.
That's why I did some of everything.
Okay, and you know this is mustard, my favorite color. So
I pay
I
attention.
just paired it with a black skirt, my shoes, got it,
Yep.
and my pocketbook. And then I just put on my leather jacket.
Yeah. There it is.
No
y'all.
makeup or nothing, but
There it is.
okay.
There it
So you
is.
did good with this.
There it is.
This one is a keeper.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
The first shirt is a keeper.
All right.
Okay. So
Well, thank you. I appreciate that. All right.
all right.
Here we go, y'all.
Well, that tired me out. That tired you out?
It's a lot of work.
Family. Thank you guys for tuning in once again.
All right. Good night, y'all.
Peace.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will